Good morning friends. Today I am going to give you few information about National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekata Divas. 31st October every year is celebrated as National Unity Day. 31st October is birth anniversary of Sardar Vallababai Patel. He was popularly known as Iron Man of India and also the Bismarck of India. Sardar Vallababai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 at Nadiad province of Gujarat. He was an eminent advocate and also a prominent political leader. He was one of the popular leaders who participated in India's freedom struggle. He actively participated in various struggles for freedom such as Kheda movement, Bardoli Satyagraha, Salt March, etc. Like this, Patel was one of the prominent leader of freedom struggle. Other than freedom struggle, his role in making India as a republic and also unification of the country is most remarkable achievements. During the time of India-Pak War in 1947, Sardar Patel worked as a commander-in-chief of Indian forces. He has taken many strong decisions during that time. Due to that, he became popular as Iron Man of India and also Bismarck of India. When India became independent, only 63% of India was under British control. Remaining areas ruled by Indian kings. Nearly 565 princely states were there. National leaders wanted to bring entire India under a single administrative system. Patel played vital role in many unification of all princely states by peaceful methods by convincing the Indian kings. Due to this great work, he has got the title Unity Man of India. To commemorate the great sacrifice, services and achievement of Sardar Patel, Government of India decided to celebrate 31st October every year as Unity Day or Ekata Divas of our nation, and also to inspire the young youths and respect Patel. 182-meter high statue of Sardar Patel was erected on the bank of Sardar Sarovar Lake in Kevadia province of Gujarat. It is one of the tallest statue of the world. It is the great tribute for the great leader who fought for our freedom and unity of our country. Where there is a unity, there always victory. United we stand, divided we fall. Dear friends, always be united if your purpose is good and the path is right.